In this video, I will walk you through how to trade futures in the Bitunix app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app, we can now go to the futures trading by simply going down here to the futures tab. Then we'll get to this page right here. And first of all, we can directly see right here our available balance in our futures account. If you don't see any here yet, you can simply tap on this plus right here and then transfer it from your spot account to your futures account so we can use the funds to trade in here. If you don't have any money yet on Bitunix, you first need to go to your assets down here, hit deposit, choose the cryptocurrency, and then you can easily send money here. If you need more help with that, I have many more tutorial videos on my channel where I show you how you can step-by-step deposit money on Bitunix. All right, next up, let's check out this trading platform right here. First of all, in the top left, you can choose the trading pair. As you can see, all these coins that you can trade right here. I'm going to stick with Bitcoin for now. Right next to it, we have this button, which is pretty useful, where you can quickly take a look at the chart in here. You can choose these different time frames up here to your liking. Or also, if you tap on this down here, you can also have a look at the chart. It's effectively the same. So these are the two options to quickly have a look at the price chart. Next up, down below, we have this section. On the left side, we have the order book, and on the right side, we have this control center where we can open and close our trades, where we can choose our leverage, set the order type, choose the position size, add a take profit or stop loss, and eventually go long or short. Right down below it, we have this area right here where we will see our open position, which we'll get into just a bit, as well as our open orders and our order history. All right, let's go back up and open our first long trade. First, we need to choose our margin mode in here. I definitely recommend you to choose isolated at first in here. Right next to it, we can set our leverage. You can get up to a 200x. In this case, let's start off with a 5x leverage for now. Right below it, we need to choose open, and for the order type, I'm going to go with a market order to execute this trade immediately at the current market price. Right below it, we can now set the position size. We have different options for that. If you tap on this right here, we can choose either by quantity in BTC or in USDT. So these two mean the position size entirely measured in Bitcoin or USDT, or by cost. That means how much of our own money we're putting into this trade. My personal favorite is this down here, because now we can just easily say, all right, we want to open a $500 position size, for example, and then we can still see down here our margin, which is how much of our own capital we'll be using for this trade, which is the $100 that we can see down here, because these $100 times the 5x leverage will equal the entire position size of $500 down here. So that's how our margin, the leverage, and the position size play together. Next up, we can also add a take profit or stop loss if you want to do that. By just tapping on this, we can either type in here the price, the return on invest as a percentage, the percentage price change, or our P&L, or profit or loss in US dollar tether. I personally like this down here, because then we can just easily say, all right, we want to make a maximum profit of $40 where we want our take profit to be. That's at this price right here for a long trade, $72,500. Same goes for the stop loss. Let's say a maximum loss of $15. All right, that would be at the price of $65,000. Once we're done with that, we can now go to open long, and our trade is opened. If we go down a bit, we can also directly see our opened trade in here. Let's quickly go through all the things we can see in here. First, we can see it's a Bitcoin long trade with a 5x leverage. We can see our currently open profit in dollars and as a percentage in here. We can also see down here our realized P&L. So in the beginning, these right here will be the order fees that we paid, a few cents for opening this trade. They will also be listed in here, as well as any funding fees, or if you close parts of your trade, so you take some partial profits or losses, they will be listed here under closing P&L. So these are all the things that flow into this realized P&L. All right, let's go through the other things. We have in here our position size. You can see that in USDT or Bitcoin, also see them both in here. That's the roundabout $500 that we've chosen at the beginning. Here's our margins, our own capital, the $100 in this trade. Down below, we can see our entry price where we entered this trade, the current price, and our liquidation price. Liquidation price would mean if we don't have a stop loss, which we've already placed, of course. We can also see that in here. But let's assume we didn't have a stop loss and the price would crash down to $54,000 in this long trade. Then this trade right here would be so-called liquidated, and we would lose our entire margin in here. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by placing a stop loss beforehand, which we already did. We can also see that down here under this indicator of 2. If we tap on this pen icon, we can also directly see them listed in here. So we can see, all right, here's our stop loss, down here's our take profit. We can of course just tap on here to edit these values. We can say, okay, $15 of loss maximum. Let's change that up to this right here. And then you can see we can easily edit our stop loss or take profit at any time in here, or also cancel them and then just place new ones. As you will see, if we cancel them both, we get to this screen again. So we can easily just place a new one again. You can always get back to this by just tapping on TPSL in here. Right, next up, I also wanted to show you, if you take a quick look at the chart, you can easily see everything in here too. You can see here's where we entered the trade. If we scroll out a bit more, you can also see your liquidation price, as well as if you would have, I canceled them now, but take profit or stop loss is also visible in this quick chart view in here. All right, next up, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily increase or decrease your position size later on. So to do that, we simply go up and let's first increase this trade by another $200. So you simply do as if you would open a new trade. Just type in here the size and let's hit open long again. And then you'll see it will simply be added onto the existing trade. And now the position size is increased to around about $700 and the margin is up to $140. If you want to do the opposite, so reduce your position size, you could either just go in here, tap close, type in the amount and click on close long, or you can also go in here, click on close, type in here the value in BTC or USD and choose how much percent, for example, let's say 50%, mark it to execute immediately in here, and then just tap confirm. And then you will see we've now closed half of the trade and reduced the position size down to $350. Margin is down to $70. Lastly, I also want to show you how you can edit your leverage, because this 5x leverage that we've chosen at the beginning here is not set in stone for this trade forever. We can also change that later on by just tapping on this pen icon in here. And then we can either increase or decrease our leverage later on. Of course, the further you increase your leverage, the more of margin you can then later on take out of here by just going to reduce margin, choose how much, and then therefore you can increase your effective leverage and free up some capital. Of course, you need to know that your liquidation price will increase after that, but it's also of course important to know for you that you can later on easily switch up your leverage and margin and edit your existing trade. Lastly, to close the entire trade, you can either just go to close, choose 100%, or click on flash close, confirm, and then you're also out of this entire trade again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.